Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to enable slide up gesture to make a call in your Realme 5 mobile phone even the screen is off. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to setting in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, scroll down and find the convenient tools. Okay, you'll have to do is click this. And okay guys, now in convenient tools, okay, you can see the gestures in motion. Okay, you'll have to do is click this. And okay guys, here in gesture in motion, okay, you can see on the top the screen of gestures. Okay, you'll have to do is click this. And now here you can see the screen of gesture switch button. Okay, you'll have to do is enable the switch button. And okay guys, below you can see the add gestures. You'll have to do is click add gestures. And okay guys, now you can see the slide up gesture. And okay, you'll have to do is click this. And okay guys, now in this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable slide up gesture to make a call in your Realme 5 mobile phone even the screen is off. And okay guys, you'll have to do is click call. And okay guys, now here we can select the contact you want to call if the slide up gesture is enabled. And okay guys, I choose one of my contact for my example. And okay guys, I choose my contact. And okay guys, automatically save the contact to slide up gesture. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled the slide up gesture to make a call in your Realme 5 mobile phone even the screen is off. And okay guys, now we can try it. Okay, we have to turn off the screen. And okay guys, now we have to slide up to make a call. And okay guys, the pop-up below are show, and now you can select the SIM you want to use to call your contact. And okay guys, I choose SIM 1. And okay guys, now we have successfully enabled the slide up gesture to make a call in your Realme 5 mobile phone even the screen is off. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.